The 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery is a commendable entry into the burgeoning world of e-bikes, combining power, convenience, and portability in a sleek package. This bike is designed for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike, providing a versatile solution for various riding conditions. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its robust 1000W motor. This powerful motor offers impressive acceleration, allowing riders to reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour swiftly. Such performance is particularly beneficial for navigating through city traffic or tackling hilly terrain, where having extra power can make a significant difference. The bike's capability to achieve these speeds without straining the motor is indicative of its high-quality engineering, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. The 48V 20AH removable battery is another highlight of this model. With a maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, this bike is perfect for longer journeys, reducing the anxiety of running out of battery mid-ride. This is especially advantageous for those who use their bikes for commuting to work or for weekend excursions. The removable battery design adds an extra layer of convenience, enabling users to charge the battery separately from the bike, which can be especially useful for individuals who live in apartments or those without easy access to power outlets near their parking areas. Charging the battery is straightforward, taking approximately 6 to 8 hours to reach full capacity. Users will appreciate the battery management system that prevents overcharging, ensuring the longevity of the battery's life. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with an LCD display that provides critical information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. This feature enhances the riding experience by allowing users to monitor their performance easily. The folding design of the bike is another feature that cannot be overlooked. Weighing around 60 pounds, this bike is still manageable for most users, and the folding mechanism allows it to be compacted down to a more portable size, making it an excellent option for those with limited storage space. Whether you want to take it on public transport, store it in a small apartment, or fit it in the trunk of your car, the folding feature adds a significant layer of practicality. The bike's frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, providing a sturdy yet lightweight structure. The build quality inspires confidence, with the ability to support a wide range of rider weights without compromising performance. Alongside its sturdy frame, the bike features 20-inch wheels that contribute to its compact size while retaining adequate handling and stability on various surfaces. The fat tires also provide excellent traction and shock absorption, which is particularly beneficial when riding on rough terrains or bumpy city roads. Safety is paramount with this electric bike, and it is equipped with front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power, instilling confidence whether you're speeding down a hill or navigating through heavy traffic. Furthermore, the bike features bright LED lights both in the front and rear. This enhances visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring safety for both the rider and pedestrians. Riding the bike is a joy, blending the feel of traditional cycling with the advantages of modern technology. The pedal assist feature allows you to gauge how much effort you want to exert during your ride. Whether you prefer a leisurely ride without much physical exertion or a more intense workout, the adjustable pedal assistance caters to both preferences. The bike also has a throttle mode, which can be engaged for those moments when you want to take a break from pedaling entirely. That said, no product is without its downfalls. Some users may find the bike on the heavier side compared to traditional bicycles, which could be a consideration for those who need to carry it frequently. Additionally, while the bike generally handles well, navigating tight spaces may require some maneuvering due to its width when unfolded. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery impressively combines speed, range, and convenience. Its powerful motor, long-range battery, and practical folding design make it